Hey everyone, welcome back to See My Review. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. We're unboxing one of the most talked about sneakers in the game right now, the Jordan 4 Retro Red Thunder. From the moment I got this box, I knew it was going to be special, and trust me, this pair is an absolute stunner. Let's start with the box itself. As always, Jordan brand doesn't hold back on presentation. You get that sleek Jumpman branding right on the lid, and once you crack it open, you're immediately greeted with that bold mix of black and red that sets the tone for what's inside. And here they are, the Red Thunder 4S. Just look at that contrast. The all-black Durabuck upper gives it such a clean, stealthy vibe, while the red underlays and midsole pop in a way that really grabs your attention. Honestly, these are the kind of sneakers that make you stop and stare. Taking a closer look, you can see the netted red underlays along the side panels and the bold red eyelets, which really make the design come alive. On the tongue, you've got the classic Air Jordan flight patch stitched in, and of course the Jumpman heel tab at the back. Every detail screams quality and heritage. Now, looks are one thing, but let's talk about performance and comfort. The Jordan 4 Retro Red Thunder isn't just about style. It's designed for all-day wear. The cushioned midsole gives you excellent support, and the durable Durabuck upper ensures longevity. Whether you're rocking these casually or keeping them as a collector's piece, they're built to impress. That's it for today's unboxing of the Jordan. If you're a sneaker lover or someone who enjoys staying ahead in the world of fashion, oursnowshoes.com is definitely a site you'll want to check out. This online destination has quickly built a reputation for being a go-to source for high-quality sneakers and stylish fashion items, catering to both sneaker enthusiasts and casual buyers alike. What sets oursnowshoes.com apart is not only the wide variety of sneakers, from classic retro Jordans to the latest performance models, but also their collection of trendy apparel and accessories that perfectly complement your look. Every item is guaranteed authentic, so you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the real deal. On top of that, they make shopping easy and enjoyable with affordable prices, multiple secure payment methods, and fast, reliable shipping that gets your order to your